Hello and welcome to another Papercraft Society box reveal. This month we're looking at box 45 and it's absolutely stunning. Now this box has been designed by the lovely Toni Darroch of Stamps by Me. Now I've been a huge fan of Stamps by Me for a long time, so I'm really excited to delve in and see what Toni's bought us. I can already see from the design on the box it's going to be gorgeous. So first of all, your box is, it's got a lovely dark background with those beautiful flowers on and the foiling on the Papercraft Society. Now, you know, I go mad about these boxes because I use them for storage all over my craft room. Sometimes I keep my Papercraft Society items in them. Sometimes I just keep them in the wallet and I use these for other things, distressing storage particularly. But yeah, I always love the designs on these. They brighten up my craft room. So we've got here, do something for you because you deserve it. That's a little message there from Toni. As always, we've got more items inside the tissue paper, but I'm going to focus first of all on the wallet. So just in here, let's pop that to the side for the moment. So as you can see, Stamps by Me, Toni. So Stamps by Me has been going a long time, and it's not just about stamps either. Toni does stencils and dies and all sorts, but a very contemporary, modern and fresh feel to her items, and that's what I'm presuming we're going to get in here. Shall we start? Well, I think we'll start with the stamps because sometimes the dies actually tally up with the stamps and they make more sense that way. So just popping these onto a white background for you. Hopefully you can see those okay. So we've got this beautiful lily spray here. We've got some other, I think we've got gerbera in there as well, some little sort of berries and such. This is all, it all looks like it's hand drawn. A gorgeous spray here. Nice curve to it as well, so you could stamp that and you could put that around a circle aperture, something like that, a frame. It would easily sit on a corner as well, actually, with a nice organic feel to it. We've got some silhouette leaves too. And then we've got how you doing? Have a fantastic day. Let's do this. You had me at hi. A cheeky hello. Love you more. You are very special to me. And have I ever told you? And I think with thanks, I'm not sure if I missed out thanks there as well. So lots of stamps. They're absolutely beautiful. I really love the fonts that Toni often uses within the Stamps by Me products. A lovely mix of fonts and nice bold sentiments too. In fact, I think Toni's were some of the first stamps I ever got that were really big sentiments. We'll come to these in a moment because, as I say, sometimes the dies will actually work really well with the stamp. So I can see here already, just here, that outline is for the spray, the stamp spray. You could colour that actually. It's a really lovely gaps in there just for colouring with your alcohol pens or your pencils, particularly if you're a beginner. There's nothing too overwhelming in there. Then we've actually got, I'm trying to read this one because you have to, oh, how you doing? It's how you doing there, just there. So we've got that. We've got it in the stamp here, small, but we've got a larger sentiment here. We've also got the outline dies for these stamps, the silhouette leaves there. We've got love you more. Oh, that's something that means a lot in this house. We do use that. And we've also got here, it looks as if that, yep, that is the outline, the shadow for this love you more die too. So lots going on in there. Now let's take a look in this paper pack too. So just peel this one open. A lovely design on there. It's very unique, isn't it? Absolutely beautiful. It's kind of muted tone. It almost looks like it's got vellum over it. So beautiful, like almost like a marbled effect there with the pinks. We've got a lovely soft pink there. These are single-sided. A watercolour effect with the green. And then, oh, I love these together, actually. I think this is probably the idea. Look, when you put these together, look how beautiful they are. You've got watercolour and you've got solids. Stunning, absolutely beautiful. And I love that some of them are plain, so you don't have to worry about mixing and matching patterns and colours and things. Really lovely. Let's just pop those back in there and take a look at what is in that tissue paper in the box still. So delving in, hot pink tissue paper. I often use the tissue paper actually for other craft projects later on. Oh, we've got, oh, now this is exciting. I wonder, I reckon this is a glittery one. I'm not sure, it might be a shimmer pen. Let's just so what we have to do when you receive this, I've not actually used this one yet. I don't even know what colour it is, but unscrew it and take the yellow cap off. What happens then is you can screw that all the way down, and that then opens up the flow of whatever ink or liquid is inside the barrel into, let's see, does this just pull off? There we go, just pulls off into the brush pen. So if I give this a squeeze, you've got the word push on 2 sides. So if you just give that a little bit of a squeeze, hopefully that will, oh, yeah. Oh, that's a shimmer. This is a little bit like your Wink of Stella. Just absolutely beautiful, a lovely shimmer. In fact, I'm going to grab a small piece of cardstock. Here's an envelope that I was making. I'm not actually going to use this anymore, but let's just now, as that dries, hopefully you can, there you go, you can see that the shimmer on there is beautiful. And being a water brush pen as such, or a brush pen, you can get your thick lines, your thin lines, you can add your detail into your stamped images as well. Gorgeous. I'm going to be using that all the time. And what else do we have in here? Oh, an envelope. I love an envelope. You never know what's going to be in there, but it's always something lovely and pretty, and I can hear things rattling around in there. So let's see. Usually an envelope means you've got a lot of something. Oh yes, look at the colour of these. Beautiful. So we've got silver and we've got clear sequins there. So these are going to be similar to like your water drop gems, but in sequin form. Love that. And you've got loads of them. Beautiful. And then what's in here? Let's just discard the tissue paper for a moment. It's quite noisy. Oh, these are watercolour paper. So it's printed watercolour. Beautiful. So you can use your inks and such on them, I guess. Let's just grab these out. You can use your shimmer pen there too. Can you see that? I'm hoping you can make out very faintly. You have the printed florals all across the bottom. So you've got 2 of that design. This one's huge. It's just giving you the guidelines there of a beautiful floral spray that you can then go in and colour in. You've got a wreath there too. This is stunning. Absolutely beautiful. You have a frame, a rectangle frame. I'm guessing you can stamp into those. You could put your die cut words into those as well. That's another one of the large one. And another one of the borders. They are beautiful. Now, obviously, with all of these, you're also going to get your project booklet too. Lots and lots. There's usually 32 pages, so it's about 16 projects in there, full of inspiration. Plus, also, you're going to get things like an interview with Toni. Obviously, Toni of Stamps by Me, so she can give you lots more information into the background, how this came together and things like that. So there we go. There is box number 45. I'm in love with it. I hope you are too. You can find out more details if you go along to papercraftsociety.co.uk or on CraftStash. That's www.craftstash.co.uk or craftstash.us. You can go to the craft brand section and look for Papercraft Society under there.